Hi everyone, I am Dr. Parag Lad. I am a hand and reconstructive microsurgeon at Pinnacle Ortho Center, Thane. I would like to discuss a very special case with its finest outcome. It's a case of syndactyly in both the hands. A 6 months old child came with his parents, and the parents were concerned about will the child ever have normal looking hand or a child will ever have a functioning hand. By looking at this picture where in the right hand middle ring and small fingers were joined together, and in the left hand all four fingers were joined together by birth. So syndactyly, it is a defect in the hand noticed immediately after birth. And the meaning of syndactyly is the fingers remain joined with each other and they are not seen separated at the time of birth. If the fingers are joined only by skin, it is called simple syndactyly. And if the fingers are joined with their, including their bones, it is called complex syndactyly. Our case was the child had complex syndactyly as seen in this X-ray, where the fingers were joined to each other, including the bones at the tip. Parents were explained about stage reconstruction of both the hands to separate the joint fingers, and usually or ideally these operations have to be performed before child starts going to school. The reason behind this, the child's brain should learn how to utilize the hand after separation of finger more functionally. The challenges are in these operations. There, it requires multiple operations to separate the finger. First of all, the surgery is done in a small child. So anesthesia, importance of anesthesia to find out other congenital or by birth defect in other organs is necessary. Sometimes these joint fingers, they have a single blood vessel supplying the blood to that finger, or there could be a defect in the anatomy in the nerves as well. Because of this, if there is an abnormal anatomy of blood vessel or nerve, there is a possibility of incomplete separation of fingers. And cosmetic concern after complete treatment is also a challenge, and possibility of abnormal nail growth. The child was investigated thoroughly to find out other congenital defect. We performed first surgery on the right hand at the age of 7 months of the child. The marking is done here. Usually, we perform the surgery to separate middle and ring finger, as shown in the picture. This is the immediate post of picture, and use these we separated middle and ring finger of the right hand. Then 8 months after the first surgery, we perform separation of index and middle finger of the left hand. The reason to perform index and middle finger separation first in the left hand, there was a incomplete simple syndactyly, as the two nails were looking separate in the index and middle finger. That's why we thought we should do this stage reconstruction first. After 6 months of second surgery, we performed separation of ring and little finger or a small finger of the right hand. These were the markings. So the flap, these flap markings are very essential to plan at the time of operation. Otherwise, we may land up in a large skin defect and we may have to borrow a skin graft from other parts of the body. Then we could do complete separation of the digits and rest of the raw areas were covered with the skin graft. Left hand second surgery. After successful separation in first surgery, then we planned middle and ring finger separation. And then lastly, the challenge was to separate ring and small finger of the left hand because the nails were and the bones were joined to each other. And this is how the surgical steps after marking, we do complete separation of the fingers from front and back and cover the defect with the skin graft. This is the function. We started the first surgery when the child was 7 months old, and this is now today the child is 3 year old, and we have excellent separation of all the fingers. The hand looks like a hand now, and parents are very happy to see the child's successful outcome. The child has started going to a nursery and started writing as almost as normal as any other child. So finally, this result is so encouraging for parents as well as for a surgeon. Usually, having this child does not even remember how were his hands at the time of his birth, and therefore his brain has learnt to utilize the hand so well that we can see the excellent function. So by birth defect in the hands are challenging and may have lot of social stigma. If tackled well in time, child can have better cosmesis and better function of the hand. The satisfaction and confidence of a child and parents after complete treatment is really immense. Thank you all for trusting us. If you happen to have noticed any such hand congenital hand defect, please contact us at www.pinnacleorthocenter.com. Thank you very much.